You feel the tension in the air, a distance forming over there. Before the gap grows wide and cold, you move with strength, you take control. Early signs are clear to see, what divides can still be eased. You do not wait, you do not stall, you answer now before the fall. Move quickly when the call is near, strength is found in acting clear. Help giving that can change the course when guided by a steady force. What's faced early finds its way back to unity today. You do not carry this alone. Support arrives when you have shown the will to step in firm and true. Others rise and follow you. What seemed heavy breaks apart with courage leading from the start. Momentum builds when care is shown and scattered ground is overgrown. Move quickly when the call is near, strength is found in acting clear. Help giving that can change the course when guided by a steady force. What's faced early finds its way back to unity today. Not every rift is meant to stay. Some are healed by bold first steps. Trust the power of resolve when hearts are reached before they harden. Ride forward strong and do not wait. Early action changes fate.